Hello, you are welcome to my channel. I want to solve another 90 math challenge which reads 2 to the power of x plus y times 6 to the power of y minus x is equals to 2592 plus 2592, and we are looking for the possible value for x and y. So if you are new here, please kindly subscribe, and by the time you subscribe, please don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you get notified anytime I drop videos on maths. So let's see how we can solve for the possible value of x and y. So I'll say solution first of all. Then write the question which is 2 to the power of x plus y times 6 to the power of y minus x close bracket is equals to. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to add these two numbers together. 2592 plus 2592. So if we should quickly come here by adding them together, we should quickly come here by saying 2592 plus 2592. So if we should add them, this plus this is going to give us 4, this plus this is going to give us 18. So we are going to write 8, then we are going to pick 1. This plus this is going to give us 10, plus 1 is going to give us 11. So we are picking 1, putting 1, then picking 1. This plus this is going to give us 4. 4 plus this one is going to give us 5. So we are having 5184. So quickly come here and write that equals to 5000. So 184, because that's the value we have when you add both of them together. When you add both of them together, we got 5184. So by the time we've done that, we'll come back to the question again, which read 2 to the power of x plus y times 6 to the power of y minus x is equals to 5184. Okay, so what are we simply going to do? Okay, we can break 5000. 5184 is also equals to 36 times 36 times 4. So if we should multiply 36 times 36 times 4, it's going to give us 5184. So we're having 36 times what? 4. So if we should write this here, so we are going to have this to be 2 to the power of x plus y times 6 to the power of y minus x is equals to 36 times 36 times 4. Okay, so we are having this. So if we should do this, we can say 2 to the power of x plus y times, we are having y here, 6 to the power of y minus x is equals to. So if we apply principle of indices, which recall we said principle of indices, which said if we are having a times a is equals to a to the power of 2. So a times a is going to give us a square. So if we do 36 times 36, we are going to have 36 square times 4. So having done this, what are we now having? So we can simply write this to be 2 to the power of x plus y times 6 to the power of y minus x is equals to, so 36 square times, recall we can break 4 is also equals to 2 to the power of 2. Okay, so we can say 2 to the power of 2. Okay, nothing still changes, it still remains the same. So we can quickly write this to be 2 to the power of x plus y times 6 to the power of y minus x is equals to, recall what is the value for 36. Recall your 36 is also equals to 6 square, right? So when we say 6 square, is also equals to 6 times 6. Recall 6 times 6 is going to give us what? 36. So if we should do that, we can say 6 square, or to what? This square times this 2 to the power of 2. Okay, So we are not having this, so we can simply write this to be 2 to the power of x plus y times 6 to the power of y minus x is equals to, recall from the principle of indices, which says if we are having a to m close bracket to n is also equals to a to m n. So if we apply this rule here, we can simply have this to be 6 to the power of what? This times this is going to give us 4 times 2 to the power of 2. So we are not having this. So what are we simply going to do from here? We are having this 2 to be base, we're having here 2 to be base, we're having 6 to be base, we're having here 6 to be base. So we can what? Compare. So we can quickly write and say compare 2 to 2 and this is and 6 to 6. 6 to 6. So if we do that, we can say 2 to the power of x plus y is also equals to 2 to the power of 2, comma, then we say 6 to the power of y minus x is also equals to 6 to the power of 4 by comparison. So this will go off with this will go off with this. So what are we going to have? We're going to have x plus y is equals to 2. We can call this one equation 1. And we're having y minus x is equals to 4. We can call this one equation 2. So we are not having this like a simultaneous equation. So we can solve this simultaneously using the elimination method. So if we use the elimination method, we can say x plus y is equals to 2 and y minus x is equals to 4. We can rewrite this by saying x plus y is equals to 2 and minus x plus y is equals to 4. So using the elimination method, we can say, then we can add both of the equation. X plus minus x is going to give us 0. Y plus y is going to give us plus 2y is equals to this plus this is going to give us 6. Okay, so if we should quickly come here, we're not having this. So we're not having 2y is equals to 6. So make y the subject formula, so y equals to 3 by dividing both sides by 2. So we've got the value of y. So what is the value for x? We can pick any of the equation. We can either pick equation 1 or equation 2. We can pick any of the equation. So it's going to work for us. So let's pick equation 2. If we say y minus x is equals to 4, this is equation 2. Now let's substitute the value of y into this equation to get the value for x. So if we should do that, we'll say 3 minus x is equals to 4. Okay, so we've done this, for us to make x the subject formula, we can bring it to this side and bring this to this side. So we can say x is equals to 3 minus 4. So our x is equals to minus 1 and y is equals to 3. So we've done this, we've got the value of x and we've got to the value of y. So what are we going to do? We are going to substitute all this value into our previous question. And our previous question reads 2 to the power of x plus y times 6 to the power of y minus x is equals to, when we add those two numbers, we got 5,184, right? Okay, so what are we simply going to do from here? We've gotten y, we've gotten x. So we can say 2 to the power of what is a minus 1 plus what? Plus 3. Your y is equals to 3 times 6 to the power of what? 3 minus, this one is having 3 here, minus, and this one is having also minus, is equals to 5,184. So since we are not having this, this is going to give us 2 to the power of 2 times this is going to give us 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 5,184. 5,184. And if you come here to do remaining part, we're having 2 to the power of 2 is also equals to 4. And 6 to the power of 4 is also equals to 36 times 36. And we're having this 36 times 36 times 4 is equals to 5,184. So the value of x and y in this challenge is correct. So if you are new here and you have not subscribed, kindly do well to subscribe, to turn on the notification button, and also turn on the notification button so that you get notified anytime I drop videos on maths. God bless you, and see you in my subsequent video. And don't forget, Jesus loves you.